I would never do that. This brand new Frozen 2 charades game. Moving, jumping and dancing. No! But I'm gonna be the queen of slime. Thanks to Cartamon D for sponsoring this video.
Hey guys, it's Elena.
And Clara.
From Cupcake Surprisers. Welcome back to the channel.
Today we have a super duper awesome video for you guys. We are going to be doing the Frozen 2 Charade
Slime Challenge! Yay!
This brand new Frozen 2 Charades game is awesome!
And it even has the Enchanted Forest theme on the playing board.
How cool is that?
You can play this game with family and friends.
And you can pick up this game at Smith's Toy Store.
Here's how the challenge is going to work. You get to choose your character from these 4 minifigures: Elsa, Anna, Olaf, and Sven. I'm gonna be Elsa, I love her new dress.
And I'm going to be Anna, she's so pretty.
And race around the board using different charades. There's 52 cards to choose from.
And you get 3 points if you guess the charade right before the timer runs out.
And if you get it right, not only do you get 3 points, you also get to pick first from our awesome slime collection. Or put some nasty slime ingredients in the other person's bowl.
Oh, I would never do that.
And guys, make sure you watch till the very end of the video to see who wins the game and gets to the Enchanted Forest first.
And who makes the best slime?
Me.
I think you're looking at the slime queen here, you know.
No!
I'm gonna
Alright, it's youngest goes first, so Clara, you get to go first. Clara, pick a card. Any card.
Skirt. No. I got 2.
Okay.
Oh, this is easy.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, moving, jumping and dancing.
Yes, no.
Told you I was the queen. I'm gonna move my Elsa 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. There we
And
go.
you need to pick the first slime ingredient. Aww.
I'm gonna pick these 2 purples. I love them.
For you, you didn't pick my favorite. I'm gonna pick light pink. This is perfectly on a theme too.
Okay, I'm gonna roll my dice. Number 2. Okay, let's see what I got.
I'm not looking.
Okay, this is my card, guys. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Cold, freezing, winter. Yes, freezing. Yes!
Okay, good job, Clara.
Well, goodbye, Elsa. 1, 2, 3. I was so close
Oh my
to
gosh,
2.
Clara could have got 2 spaces forward. Well, I get to move 2 spaces too, so I'm right beside you, Anna.
Well, I get to pick my slime ingredient. So, what is there? Glitter. I'm gonna choose this really pretty teal color.
I'm gonna choose these sparkles. These are gorgeous. 1. Pick the card.
Okay.
Putting on a scarf. Yes!
Yes!
Oh, I'm really good at this, guys.
I guess you get to move to the space.
Okay.
Yes! I got minus 2 spaces! What?
Clara, no!
I get to move 2 spaces. Wait, back the way?
That means I get another turn. Yes! Okay. I'll roll the dice. 1. Okay, that's what I got. All right, set the timer.
3, 2, 1. Catching, playing cards, match, pulling rope. Yes! Yes! Good job! For you.
Wait, still.
Well, I get to move 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1. 1, 2. Ha ha!
This is I'm all the way back here.
I think I'm gonna pick these really cute glitters.
Oh, they're cute. I'm gonna pick some gold stars.
Okay, I'm gonna roll the dice. 2. Oh, this is hard.
1, 2, 3. Swimming and like a frog, looking through things, and like shoving through things, looking for something, like swimming, like.
Guess what it was? A whale.
That is not what whales do, Clara.
I didn't know what to do, so I did that.
Seriously, Clara. Okay.
Yes, I get to move 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. No! You get to move 2 spaces though.
Oh yeah.
1, 2.
again. Seriously.
1, 2.
It fell.
You need to wait so you can get 3.
Let's pick the slime ingredient slime.
Pink glue.
That's pretty. I'm actually gonna pick more glue and pick. This is kind of like Elsa blue because we're now doing Frozen Shredds game. I got number 1. I don't know. Okay.
Swimming away. Swimming. Dancing. A box. Swimming. C. Swim in the sea pool. Swim in the pool. Oh my God! Yes!
You didn't get it, Clara.
What was it?
It was river.
Oh!
Like what do you swim in? Okay, I get to move 2 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Finally, phew. Hope I get 1 next time.
Yes, I get to move 2. 1, 2. I didn't get to 2 minus 1.
Okay, I get to pick my slime ingredients first. I'm going with this pretty pink
They're the ones
glitter.
that I would like. I think I'm gonna pick this pink glitter that matches Anna's outfit. 2, 1.
Jumping.
Yes, jumping! Yes!
I was totally guessing that. Yay! I get to move 3 spaces. Phew. Almost catching up to you,
But
Anna.
I get to move 2, so 1, 2.
Okay. I'm gonna choose these sparkles.
I'm gonna pick these sparkles.
Nice. Guys, this round, I'm not gonna choose slime ingredients for me. I'm gonna choose it for Clara. How about some fresh milk, Clara?
No! That will ruin my slime. My slime will not work.
You don't want this delicious, creamy, bubbly milk in your slime?
No!
I quite like this purple. I'm sparing this round.
I might use milk if I win the next round.
Guys, we are 1 play away from the finish line. Like 1 play away.
I have to get this right so I can win. Yes.
Okay. Okay, I got 2 on the dice.
Ah.
Okay, I don't think you're gonna get this, Clara.
Sad. Please, begging. Sad. Please, let me in. Begging. No, begging, please. What?
It was a wish. I was like wishing.
What? No, please.
I win the challenge. I go through the enchanted forest first. 1, 2, 3.
I guess I just get to move 2 spaces.
No, you get to go back and start.
Oh. But guys, wait. I might make the best slime.
We're gonna get started with our glue. I think we have Anna colors. I have like a purple glitter glue.
And I have clear pink.
Okay.
Look at it. Whoa. Pretty pink. Now pink glitter glue. It just sinks in. Gorgeous.
And again, this gorgeous purple glitter glue. So pretty. I have some clear purple. Now we're adding in Elsa blue. This actually reminds me of the whole Frozen 2 color scheme.
Glitter's going in. Add it in. Whoa, that's a lot. These cute glitters. That's such a pretty combination. It's a really pretty shape.
Look at this, it's like a salmony pink. Against the blue and the purple, it looks stunning. And for the last, golden pink. It's like Elsa's galaxy. And now for some decorative flakes, guys.
Ooh, pink. Whoa, I got it all in. I'm gonna add some blue now. Perfect.
Like gorgeous kind of pink flakes. Woo! That was a lot. So, now it's time to mix! I'm so excited! Oh my gosh, guys, this is so pretty.
It's like a really pretty lollipop you can find in the candy store.
It looked like a galaxy. This might be the prettiest slime I have ever made. So guys, we're gonna mix and activate our slimes a little bit more and we'll show you the final reveal in 3, 2, 1. Here's our slime! Guys, I actually think this is my best slime yet. I love the color. It's like this gorgeous kind of like pinkish purpley. The glitter in it stands out so amazingly. The texture is really nice. It's really stretchy. Look at all the beautiful clay patterns in the glitter. I love that crunchy sound.
Oh, okay guys, now on to my slime. Okay, first of all, color, amazing. It's a beautiful pink color and it stands out with all the glitters and it's pretty. Texture, so stretchy, not overactivated, so squishy, and makes the best bubbles and Instagram swirls.
And I keep thinking I'm gonna do it and I can't! So guys, remember you are the judges. Make sure you vote down in the community page whose slime did you like the best. Hashtag Team Elena with a snowflake.
Or hashtag Team Clara with a crown. You gotta love my slime, guys.
So guys, we really hope you enjoyed our Disney Frozen 2 Charade Slime Challenge. We had so much fun. If you want to see more of these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button.
And the like button. And the notification bell.
And we'll see you next time. Bye!
Hit the like button if you want to see more of these videos. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free.